Hello, this is my Yard Machines MTD lawnmower with a muffler on it that I got off a guy with a diesel powered lawnmower that he uses as his mudding mower now. And I did it with a couple friends and we made it happen. So this is the muffler right here, and that's how it went on there, just like that. It used to be facing down, but we cut it right there, and then we welded it together and pointed it this way and up to the top. And I think it's pretty cool. I just kind of got this idea off him, and I'll show you it running here. It's pretty interesting. Sounds a little fun to ride. Anyways, this is a cold start. Anyways. Oh no. Okay. Well.